Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kobe and this is Skytech Digital. Now in this video I'm going to show you how you can be able to create a subdomain for your domain. So let's say you have a domain which is like maybe skytechdigital.com, this domain over here, and then maybe you want a subdomain like, let's say demo, or let's say maybe a different, just to showcase a different side of your website. So let's say I want to create a different website, but then I want it to be on that same domain, whereby I will just use a link whereby some people will click on it and then they will go over there. So that is what I want to show. So let's say I want to create let's say a shop. Okay, so I'll say maybe shop.skytechdigital. I want this kind of domain. Okay, so if I click over here, you realize that there is no domain like that, but I want to create this kind of like a domain for a subdomain for this main domain. So what I will do is first of all, you need to log into your cPanel. Okay, now for those of you who don't know the cPanel, now cPanel is where you manage all your files and your website files and other stuff of your hosting. So if you bought, like, if you buy your domain and then your hosting, the web host will send you link to your cPanel, so you get the login link and then the login URL over there. So make sure that you log into it. Now if you don't know how to log into it too, you can ask your web host, they will send you the link and then you'll be able to log into it. So make sure that you log into it. So this is, as you can see, this is my cPanel over here. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a subdomain. So what I'll scroll down over here to this place which is called subdomains over here. So you see under domains over here we have domains, add-on domains, and then subdomain. So click on subdomain over here. Just click on subdomain and then you'll be redirected to this place. Now as you can see, I have a lot of subdomains over here, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a subdomain which is called shop. Okay, so I just want this one which says shop over here. Now after writing the name shop, I'm just going to click outside and you see that all the other things have been filled already. Okay, now of course if you have so many domains in it, you can select the domain that you want, but I want this particular one which is my main domain, and then the root will just pick this one and then add your domain to it to make it the document root. I'm going to leave it as it is, and then all what I need to do is to click on create over here. Now as you can see, the subdomain has been created for us. It has been created. Okay, so as you see, it says a success. Shop.skytechdigital.com has been created. So we have our subdomain. So as you can see over here, our subdomain is created for us and we are ready to use it to do whatever thing that we want to do with it.